Dubai. 20 Dubai.
And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. First game, first match.
Watch now. Number 1 watch now.
Should be exciting match for Bushido Art guest team versus CE Warriors. And our official referee for tonight is Referee Ram and Referee Manuel. First position of UE, Malajos. Now guarded by Piñano.
Minoria.
Minor. 14 to shoot. Too strong. Rebound on Bushido Balang. This is just our first game, first match for our UAP Season 4. Diaz. Too strong. Rebound on the red shirts. Now, Rentor. Nice move. Short. Rebound on the big guy. Now score still. Baseball pass. Now guarded by 2. Shot. Nice defense on the red shirt. Rentor. It's 2-on-2. Rentor now. Again. Oh, rebound. 2 out. It's 2-1. Dubal. Diaz. Yeah, easy jumper by Diaz. It's 2-0. Nice shot coming from Diaz. 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Still we're live. In the Facebook page of Basketballista. Malajos. Too strong. Rebound again. Pinano. Nice pass downside. Top. Open jump. And out. Rentor. Rebound. Now Rentor looking for his teammate. Rentor. Downside steal again. Now baseball again. Pass to Pinano. Pinano all the way. On Pinano. Back-to-back shot. Coming from Pinano. It's 4-0. Malajos. Short. Malajos again. Rebound. Nice pass outside. Oh, easy shot now for 2. 2-point Pinay steal on Malajos. Now Malajos escape, zigzag, Malajos, open jump, yes on Malajos. For all. First deadlock, first game. Our Season 4 UAP. May Basketballista. Oh, escape. Now 6-4. 2-point lead now on Bushido. Rentor. Malajos. Again, short. Rebound on Dubal. Baseball back again. Pinano all the way on Pinano. Now 8 against 4. 4-point lead on Bushido.
Malajos.
Again, in and out. Rebound. Dutchman. Short again. Top. Dubal.
Duralde.
Now Duralde. Nice steal by Rentor. It's 3-on-2. Rentor. Nice fake. Drive.
Minoria.
Oh, it's still by white shirts. All alone. Pinano. Block by Malajos. Now back to Dubal. Escape. Dubal side set. Block foul. Foul on Rentor. First team foul. Malajos. First on Malajos.
First team foul.
First team foul UE. It's 4-8. 4-point lead on Bushido. One more time. Rebound. Early and free. On. That's one.
Rachman.
Huh? That's one.
Rachman.
Rachman. Short. Violation.
Bang!
Bang! Bang, bang, bang! Now 7-8. Rubbing violation, traveling. 6 minutes. Now Rentor. Same spot. Short. Malajos. One Malajos. Now 9-8. It's 1 point lead on UE. Turralde. Calibertor. Nice pass outside. Ow, in and out. Rebound on Malajos. Now Malajos to Rentor. Back to Malajos. Short again. Rebound by Diaz. Nice defense. Time out on Bushido. It's 5 minutes and 13 seconds. 9-8. 1 point lead on UE. And we would like to thank our sponsors, Color Sports, Basketballista, and Rock Punk, Abu Dhabi.
Number 50.
This is our first game, first match for our UAP Season 4 by Basketballista. Too strong, rebound the ball. Justin Santos, foul. Foul again on number 30 on Malajos. Second team personal foul on Malajos. Second team foul against UE. Dubal. Pass outside Diaz. 10 to shoot. Los Santos. Wow! One move now. 10. 9. 1 point lead on Bushido. Rentor. Rubbling violation, troubling. Nice defense on Bushido. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Steal, Rentor. Pass to Malajos, all alone. Malajos, escape. Yes, sir, Malajos. Now 11-10. Back to 1 point lead on UE. Steal again. Nice defense. Turnover on red shirts. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 25. On 30 foul on UE. First on Minorias. Only 1 point lead on UE. It's 11 against 10. It's 4 minutes. First quarter. Target short. Penano. Take. De Los Santos. Oh, what a shot by De Los Santos now. 12. 11. Back to 1 point lead on Bushido. Wow, Malajos. 13-12. 1 point lead on UE. Oh, strong move again by Dubal now 14-13. Rentor.
Rentor.
Malajos. Again out. Our Rasman, 15 against 14. It's 1 point lead on UE, still by Rentor. Now Rentor, right, pass downside, Malajos, nice pass downside. Rasman, now 17 against 14. It's 2 minutes and 50 seconds. De Los Santos. Pass to Diaz. Now it's still on Minores to Malajos. Rentor. Airball. Tap. Diaz. Minores. Raxman. Malajos. Oh, Malajos. Now 19 against 14. It's 2 minutes and 20 seconds. 5 point lead on UE. Pow! Foul again on number 25 with Minores. 44 penalty on UE. Second personal foul on Minores. Diaz. Short. Now Rentor. Too strong. Richman again. Foul. Foul on number 3 on Tiano. First team foul on Bushido. First personal foul on Tiano. This is our first game, first match for our UAAP Season 4 Regalo Lista. And this game is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Mang Inasal. Pinano all the way, left-handed shot. Pinano now 16 against 19. It's 1 minute and 40 seconds. Rentor. Malajos. Short. Now Minores. Rentor again. Black. Malajos. Fake. Bang! Basket count na ng 1 ng Malajos. Foul on number 1.
De Los Santos.
On De Los Santos. First on De Los Santos. Second team foul on Bushido. It's 1 minute and 28 seconds. 5 point lead on UE. 21. 6 point lead on UE. It's 22 against 16. Now Diaz. De Los Santos. Still again on the red shirts. It's 2-1, running, drive, escape, side step, left-hander. Now 24 against 16. 1 minute. Diaz. Carried by Rentor. 14 to shoot. Pinano. Nice pass. Yes, now 18 against 224. It's 6 point lead now UE. 45 seconds. In and out. Pinano. Turralde. Diaz. Whoa! 20-24. 30 seconds. 20 seconds. 14 to shoot. 5 to shoot. It's Bushido ball. 11 seconds. Bushido ball. 11 seconds. 11.
Oy, 11 seconds siya. Mahaba yan.
It's Bushido ball. Pesto. Short. Whoa! Turale. And now for the first quarter, our score. It's 24 against the 22. UE. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Sir, pili kayo ng isa dito. Kulang kasi sila. Siyam lang sila eh. Saan? Ako. Ako. Ako na guys. Ayaw, liga daw. Ikaw ba? So, kumang liga ka siya. Kaya. Sila ko pwede. Sila kami. Last tayo na lang. Sampo. Box.
27.
Isa lang talon nyo. Yung negro. Gracias, sir. Oo, si Barnes yan, no? Tubig niya. Ito, negro. Ay, tama, no?
Ayan, number na bakal. Bakalan mo.
I don't have.
Ha?
I don't have.
Saan mo ito sa tubig dito?
It's UE ball, UE.
Javier. 27.
You now in the ball game, you. It's UE ball, UE. Second quarter. Our score is 24 against the 22. Again, turnover on the red shirts.
Jordan 23.
Oh, bagsate!
Air ball. Now you. Kick ball. It's red ball, red. This is our first game. First match.
Pusok! Screen, ha?
Steal again by Patak. Same ball. It's 18 reset, 18 to shoot, 18. Javier. Short. Top. 10 to shoot.
Ricardo.
Sir, pag may kumating, pwede pumasok yun?
Hindi. 5. Air ball. It's red. It's white ball.
10 to
Pusok! Wala nagsasalita sa inyo.
Jordan.
Peñasa, you. Los Santos, Patak. Too strong. Impano Libres. Steal again. Pass outside, Patak. Steal. Same ball, same ball.
Sige lang! Hindi!
It's same ball. It's 8 minutes and 20 seconds. You. Oh! In and out!
7.
Susundok! Sit!
Yeah.
Lalim!
Foul. Foul on number 10 on you. First on you. First team foul on Bushido. Libres.
Ricardo.
Rigalde. Whoa! What a game for by Rigalde. Now 26 to 22. Peñasa. Pass Peñasa. Steal again. De Los Santos. Too strong. Coast to coast. Drive. Black and Batak. Javier. Take. Too slow. Stop. Oh, bang.
Number 19. 19.
Di na bawasanan? Di na bawasan?
Patag. 19.
Second team foul on Bushido. Wala tayo sub. Tapusin natin.
Ay, sa third na siya.
Third na third.
Nag-quarter na. Box out!
Now 27 to 22.
Isa lang ang habol.
Patag. You. 14 to shoot.
Ilalim na, ilalim.
10.
Hoy, out sila.
It's red ball. 7 minutes.
Easy, lamang tayo. Madali. Oh, bola, bola. Bola. Relax, ha. Relax lang. Kaya mo na. Pagka.
It's 27-22. 5-point lead on UE. Rigalde. Ow! Turnover, both teams.
Luke, wala mo bola. Ilalim. Nice, defense. Isa mo. Luke, isa may kumamulok ko.
It's 6 minutes and 27 seconds.
Ito siya Pierre ba? Taluposa.
Foul. Foul on Patak. 13 foul on Bushido. First personal foul against Patak.
Rick, kunin mo bola, Rick.
Rigalde. Libres. Bang! Time out! On Bushido, now 30. Against the 22. All again by UE. It's 6 minutes.
Lukos ka, lukos. Taluposin mo siya. Kapan, pumunta ka na ng bola.
11. 11.
Type 8, ito ba?
Pansa para hindi makano ng skarte.
Whoa! What a shot! Now 24 against the 30.
Uli!
Foul. Oh, turnover on UE. It's 30 against the 24.
Go, go!
Nice pass. Steve. It's red ball. Red. It's 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
Bola, bola, sukata ha. Ay, sino na? Oo. Hindi na in-screenan. In-screen. Takbo, takbo. Moving screen.
Offensive foul on the red team. Now it's first team foul. Foul on number 7 of UE.
Oh, bola!
Sarmiento.
Sarmiento. Two stroke. Iban on Javier. Still by Patak.
Ikahatag sa... Dami na. Nakupat tayo, nakupat ang bola.
It's 4 minutes and 43 seconds.
Pati, hawakan mo lang pati pag nakarabaw. Gilang, pati.
Oh no. Oh no.
It's 1 ball, 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Lagmay,
Lagman.
you, De Los Santos.
Bata.
Patak, 14 to shoot.
Jordan.
Panyosa, too strong. 3 minutes and 56 seconds. Sharp.
Sarmiento tsaka Bautista.
You,
De Los Santos.
air ball. Save ball, 14 to shoot, 14. Nice pass, 10 to shoot. In and out. Oh, turnover again on Bushido. It's 3 minutes and 15 seconds.
Atake na.
Javier.
Javier. Foul again on number 10. On you.
Second. Warning.
Warning for penalty on Bushido. 10 to shoot.
Rigalde.
Regale.
Javier.
Javier. Yes on Javier. Now 32 to 24. It's 8-point lead now on UE.
Hands up. Huwag lang susundot.
14 to shoot.
Taas kamay.
Lagman. Air ball.
Easy. Relax lang muna.
Javier again. Lagman. Still by Libres.
Bautista.
Bautista.
Javier.
Javier. Igual Bautista. In and out. Bautista again. Lagman. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. You.
Last ball. Okay,
2 minutes.
huwag mo agawin. Si Javier. Di ba, Javier?
Mata. You. Too strong. Rebound on Libres. Now, Javier.
Rigalde.
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 Carmen Pata. 14 to shoot. Oh! Rigalde. Now 34.
Gao o yun.
Against to 24. 10-point lead now, UE.
Shot yun. Babaan yun.
1 minute and 30 seconds.
Taas kamay.
14 to shoot. Foul. Foul on Rigalde.
Rigalde. Rigalde. Rigalde.
Second team foul on UE. First on Rigalde. Now 25 to 34. 9-point lead on UE. Thirty-four, 26. Black, may patak. Javier. Oh, Javier. Now 36-26. Back to 10-point lead on UE. 1 minute.
Ilalim.
Rebound again by Javier. 55 seconds.
Ayun.
All alone by Lagman. Yes, on Lagman, it's 28 against to 36. 40 seconds. seconds. Yes, on Javier. 38, 28, 20 seconds.
Ata.
Yes, on Patak. 30, 38, 10 seconds. 9 seconds, 9. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Libres! And for second quarter score is 41 against the 30. Yee! Third quarter ready.
Kita yung unang minter mo. Hindi na kita tinuon.
Bakit?
Anong tayo?
Ganda.
Aywa.
Ito lang score total dyan. Ay,
Bushido ball, Bushido.
ilan kayo, sir? Tampo. 12. Ilan kayo dyan? Ilan kayo? 11. Wala tayong plus, ha?
White ball.
11. Wala po dyan. Asa mo tayo isa dyan? Maliit lang yan. Akala ko malaki. Tawa lang yan. Maliit, malaking tatawan lang yan. Isa lang ang tangkad nila, sitwa lang eh. Isa lang ang tangkad data sila. Pero isa, tangkad lang yan eh. Malaking katawan lang yan. Tingin mo. Ha? Taas? Sakto lang nga, 5'7". Diyos. Sakto lang, 5'7". Maliit lang yan. Malaking katawan lang yan. Yun, matangkad.
Wala nang jersey number 2.
Alin? 5 minutes. Pero yung kuwan ha, naglaro na ha, sub ka ha. Ay nakalaro na sa palitan mo. The rest na kung laro, akong palitan.
Third quarter.
Wala namang number yun. Lagay kong number.
Ito 0.
Now Pinano. Steal. Pinano again, pass to outside. Fake. Drive. Escape. 3-second violation. It's 30 against 241. UE.
Kaya, atake!
Javier, drive, Javier goes to go! Javier! 43 to 30, it's 13 point in now, UE.
Walay kayo!
Pinano. Traveling violation, and number 27, it's turnover again by Bushido. 43 against 230. Resma, no, alabas, yes, now 45 to 30, 15 point lead on UE. Now Tinalo. Now Turalde. Number 0, 14 to shoot.
Pinano.
Pinano, escape, Pinano, too strong. Rebound again on the red shirts.
Bautista.
Now Bautista.
Okay, kaya daw!
Rashman. Javier. 14 to shoot. 10. Short.
Baba na!
Turalde. Pinano. Basket count and 1 on Pinano. Foul on Minorias. First team foul on UE. Third personal foul on Minorias. 32.
Catrigiana. Number 15, Catrigiana.
Catrigiana. It's 32-45. Back to 13 point lead on UE. 8 minutes and 5 seconds. Ow! In and out. It's red ball, red. Now, Rushman. Drive. Bound. Nice defense at Turalde. Traveling violation. Nice defense on the big man, Turalde. It's 45 to 32. This is brought to you by Color Sports, Basketballista, and Rock Bank Abu Dhabi.
Abot, tracing lamang sa atin.
Turalde again. Pow. Who's ball left? Foul on number 74 of UE. Second team foul on UE. First personal foul against number 74 of UE. Now 7 minutes and 25 seconds.
Sarmiento.
First on Sarmiento. Inbounding Clare. Nice pass. Whoa! What a shot. 34 against the 45. Foul. Foul on 0. First team foul on Busido. First personal foul on number 0. 11-point lead UE. It's 45-34. Short. Ashman. Sarmiento. In and out. 4 rebound. Now Pinano. Escape. Whoa! Timeout! On UE, it's 45 to 36. 9-point lead on UE.
Yung hindi magbayad sa euro na ako tumakot. Ay, wala rin sa ulang.
Yung
Parang
number
pinagawa niyo
74,
ako.
ano yun? 74 ang bilis pala. Jersey, anong pangalan?
Kaya, tap!
Number 74.
Get, tira, tira. Atake doon, lawag niya, no?
10 to shoot. In and out. Rebound by Tor. 0.
Ka-team niya, hindi niya kilala.
Foul.
Nice one, nice rebound.
13 foul on UE.
Number 5.
Foul on number 5.
Baka number 5. Baka 25.
0. Rebound on Javier. Bautista. Rushman. Short.
Baba na, baba, baba!
Now 1-on-1 by Turalde. Turalde sidestep. Turalde drive. Short. Nice defense on Javier.
Yung same kinuha ng gamit talaga.
Now Rushman. Bautista.
Good, good! Ayaw pa!
Javier. Whoa! Javier! 47-36, back to 11-point lead on UE. Steal by Rodman. Rashman now 49 to 36. 13-point lead now on UE.
Geralda, Carter.
14 to shoot.
0. Dubal.
10.
Piñano.
5. Foul. Basket count and 1 on 0. It's 38-49. Sabrap.
Pwede na mag-sub ha? Pwede na mag-sub, sir. Pwede na mag-sub.
Only 11-point lead on UE. It's 49 to 38. Free throw shot given by number 0. Now, 49 to 39, 10-point lead on UE. Still again ng 0. Tor. Whoa! 49 to 41. It's 8-point lead now on UE. Malajos. Still now. 1 and 1. Yes, now 43-49. 6-point lead on UE. Rashman. Short. Iba na ang Turalde. Foul. Warning for penalty on UE. Foul on number 74. Sumento. Now Dubal. Steal by Malajos. Now Malajos. Drive 1 and 1 Malajos. Now pass outside. Now Rosman. Pass to Bautista. In and out. Top. Malajos. Again top. Dubal. It's 3-1. Dubal. To Turalde. Pass outside to Tor. Turalde. Steal by Malajos. Malajos. To Rajman. Nice foul! Turnover again. Time out! On Bushido. It's 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 40 point to 43. Three minutes. It's Bushido ball, Bushido. Now Diaz. You, 14 to shoot. Short. Still by Diaz. Still again by Rashad Malajos. Too strong. Top. Libres. 0. Foul. Penalty rep, penalty.
JD, 24.
Foul on JD. First on JD. Two minutes and 48 seconds. It's 49 against 43. 6-point lead on UE. Short.
2.
You. 14 is second, 14. Now Diaz. 10 to shoot.
4.
Now 4-2. Malajos. In and out. Top. Ginolya. Foul. Foul on number 10 on you. Second team foul on Bushido.
You second.
Second personal foul against number 10 on you. Whoa! Libres! 51 to 43. Back to 8-point lead against UE. Now you. Tor. Easy jump by Tor. Now 45 to 51. 2 minutes. Malajos. JD. Air ball. Rebound by Bautista. Now white shirts. 1 minute and 53 seconds. Diaz.
Ay na! Ay mabak na, no?
Turalde, 14 to shoot. Still by Libres. To JD. Whoa! 53 against the 45. Back to 8-point lead. On UE, 1 minute and 30 seconds. Turalde. Whoa! Turalde now 47-53. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Nice one.
Whoa! Half time! May mga Diyos! 55-47. 1 minute. Diaz. Bang! On Diaz. 50 seconds. Foul. Foul on number 15. 13 foul on Bushido. 13 foul against Bushido. 43 seconds.
Seconds na lang yan. Tira, Baji. Kaya.
Now Turalde. JD. 30 seconds.
Nice pass. Ayun, Boy Ginggay.
Black. Now 29 seconds. 29.
Then,
Whoa! You! 51 to 55. 20 seconds. 15.
Ayun ba?
Oh, Mana Diyos! 5 seconds. And for third quarter, our score is 57 against the 51. It's UE. Last quarter. UE ball, UE.
Ha? Yata ya.
kaya na.
Kapatid ko raw.
Ha?
Kapatid ko raw.
Kung dumatay?
Oo.
Ayaw, kaya na. Mas mabuti lang.
Third quarter, last quarter. It's 57 against 51. Now Rintor. Libres. Now Diaz. Turnover again on Bushido.
Ali! Kunin mo muna! Kunin mo muna yung bola. Bakit baba ka agad?
Now Rintor. Javier. Back to Rintor. 14 to shoot. Now patak. Diaz. Yes, on Diaz now 53 to 57. It's 4-point lead on UE. This game is brought to you. JD. Air ball. Lipa Libres. Black foul. Foul on Duval. First team foul on Bushido. Second on Duval. 8 minutes and 58 seconds. Now 58, 53. 5-point lead on UE. Diaz. Turalde is still now. It's 2-1 escape. Short now. Retor. short again. Yes, on Rentor. Now 60 against the 53. Latak. Patak. Foul. Foul on Libres. First team foul on UE.
First difference.
8 minutes and 22 seconds. Now 54 to 16, 6-point lead on UA.
Javier.
Yes, Javier, time out! On Bushido, 862.
Nagbigay ng bola.
Time out on Bushido.
Time out. Time out ako. Time out. Oh. Paminaw.
In 7 minutes and 59 seconds, 62 against the 54. Our next game is Adamson versus FU.
Sana time out, isa na lang.
Red ball, red. Stop, sige, pasok.
Ikot ang bola. Kaya, labas ka.
14 to shoot. Foul.
Yan o, gagda na katin yun o.
Foul on number 18 on Patak. Second team foul on Bushido. Second personal foul on Patak. Rentor. JD. Javier. Yes! On Javier.
Depensa lang.
Now 64-54. Dubal. Nice pass outside. Hey, Diaz, open shot. Air ball, JD. Foul. Foul on number 17. 13 foul on Bushido. First on number 17.
Ayaw sabay si Unang dagat. Saan doon?
It's 7 minutes and 17. Tap.
Sino ba si Becky? Tawag pasok.
Diaz. Turralde. Yes, on Turralde now. 56 to 64, 8-point lead against UE. Rentor. Foul. Unsportsmanlike foul on number 19 on Gapak. Third on Gapak. Fourth team foul against Bushido. Warning on Bushido.
Shot daw.
Unsportsmanlike foul on number 19 on Gapak.
Dong, wait. Kaya mo yan. Relax lang. Relax.
Result substitution.
Isa man lang sana. May highlights pa.
In 6 minutes and 39 seconds, 64 to 56.
Sir, sandali lang. Wala pa.
Sir, Pinano.
Paalam kayo, paalam dito. Paalam na kayo, mag-sub kayo.
Sub.
Sir, paalam kayo, susunod. Paalam
Di
kayo.
ba sinabi ko, sir?
6 minutes and 39 seconds.
Di ba mag-finish?
Javier. Too strong. Turralde. To Diaz. Yes, on Diaz. Now 58 to 64. It's 6-point lead now on UE. Malajos. Foul! Basket foul and one on Libres. Foul on number 3. On Pinano. Penalty rep. Basket count and one. It's second personal foul on Pinano. Second personal foul against Pinano. Basket count and one on Libres. It's 66 against 58. Back to 8-point lead on UE. Now 67-58. 9-point lead on UE. Now Dubal. Black. Foul. Foul on number 27. Substitution left, sub rep. Second team foul on UE.
Libres.
Ilan Libres?
Libres second.
Second personal foul on Libres.
First team.
Yan, Mondoro. 17.
Monicario.
Rushman.
Hindi na regard.
Recalde. Malajos. Open shot. Too strong. Rushman. Fake. Side step. Too strong. Mulicayo. Julius. Black by Rushman. It's 5 minutes and 25 seconds. 16 to shoot. 67 against the 58. Tor. Black. Technical foul.
JD.
Number 24 for this Skirling.
JD.
First on JD, 13 foul, UE.
Matic foul yun.
Five minutes and 18 seconds. This is our first game, first match. Pinano. 10 to shoot. Oh! Now 60 to 67. It's 7-point lead on UE. JD. Too strong. Top. Turalde. Still on. Rajman drive. Yes, on Rajman. 69 against the 60. 9-point lead now on UE. Diaz, foul. Foul on JD. So dito sa sub.
JD second.
Second personal foul on JD. Warning for penalty on UE. Time out on UE. It's 69 against 60. 9-point lead on UE. It's 4 minutes and 31 seconds. Now the ball.
Nice one.
Oh, short. You. Rinalde. Top. The ball. It's 3 on 1. Turalde. Yes, on Turalde. Now 62. Against the 69. 4 minutes. Rushman. Oh, foul. Foul on number 10 on you. Penalty rep, penalty.
Tayo lang yun. Huh?
4 minutes. 4 minutes. This game is brought to you by Honor Sports, Basketballista, and Rockbank Philippines. Short. Foul. Foul on number 14 on Javier. Penalty rep. Both teams now and penalty.
Javier first.
First on Javier. Our next game is FEU versus Adamson. Both teams and penalty. Both teams have one timeout left. The ball. Wow, short.
Ina mo, lamang na sana tayo. Dami ng free throw.
Now 63 to 69. 6-point lead against UE. Rushman. One in by the ball. 14 to shoot. 10. Black. You. Inano. Foul. Foul on Malajos. Penalty rep.
Malajos
Third personal foul against Malajos. Sub.
Nakrak na naman. Putik.
Hindi ko yung lalagyan ng isip mo. Yaman.
Nalis ko nga.
Yung mga taga nito. Ketsang pa lang.
3 minutes and 22 seconds. It's 69 against 63. UE. Red ball. Turalde. Rushman, 40 to shoot. Foul. Usman up. Foul on number 17 on Monicario. Penalty first on Monicario. Second on Monicario. 70 against 63.
Hindi, ikaw kasi hindi ka naglalaro eh. Dapat naglalaro ka. Ano bang tawag? Tapusam? Nice, nice!
Now 71 to 63, back to 8.3 against Yui. Duval.
Ayan.
Still by Javier. Now Rathman. Tap. Javier.
Relax lang!
Malagyos. 14 to shoot. Steal by you. And sportsmanlike foul on number 30 on Malagyos. Fourth personal foul against Malagyos. Warning on Malagyos. It's 3 minutes and 44 seconds.
Kasama na ba yung pagka sa technical? So, apat na siya.
Warning on Malagyos. Fourth foul against Malagyos. 2 minutes and 44 seconds. 2 minutes and 44. Both teams and penalty. Both teams and penalty. And sportsmanlike foul.
Ang higpit ng...
Turralde. You. Nice pass, Turralde. Oh! Turralde. 65 to 71. Now 6-point lead on UE.
Second pula, 2 minutes na lang to.
14 to shoot.
Pwesto!
10.
Pwesto, galaw! Yun na, bigay! Okay, ate.
6 to shoot. 6. 6 seconds to shoot.
Ratsman, galaw dong!
Ang ganda ng uniform yung susunod.
5. Short. 2 minutes and 6 seconds.
Tingnan nyo ilalim, ha? Ilalim!
2 minutes. Dubal. Pow.
Ay, ang sarap sa counted pound.
Foul on number 1. Penalty
Ratchman.
on Rushman. First on Rushman.
Opo.
Bot.
Basket substitution tayo pa. Basket sub. Basket substitution left. Basket sub.
Ratsman!
Basket substitution. Short.
Atin, natin yan!
Sub rep, sub rep, sub.
Same ball.
Turalde out, Turalde out, Turalde. Turalde out.
Tingnan nyo, magkakat yan, ha?
1 minute and 49 seconds. Dubal. Foul. Baseball rep.
Ratchman.
Foul on Dutchman. Penalty. Second on Dutchman. Basket substitution tayo rep.
Pasok mo! Talon tayo, talon! Take time! Take time!
Pag nag-counted sir, saan tayo? 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Sumiyat yung tira niya.
Sub rep, sub rep, sub.
Apat, oh, apat!
71 to 67. 1 minute and 44 seconds.
Hawak lang, hawak, hawak!
Malagyos.
Oh, dula, dula! Labas, labas ka, labas! Labas, labas!
14 to shoot. Whoa! 73 to 67. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Now Diaz. Still. Time out on Bushido. Now 75 against to 67. 8-point lead now against UE. 1 minute and 16 seconds. Now 8-point lead on UE. It's 75 against 67.
Kahit huwag na tayong tumira.
Kahit magkano.
14 to shoot 14. Diaz, Duralde. Whoa! Duralde, 69 against 75. Ah! Foul on number 3 on Pinano. Penalty.
Milano third.
Third personal foul on Pinano. So 35 to 69 in 6-point lead. Wala na.
Meron pa isa.
On UE.
Long set. Long set. Nice, nice. Oh, depensa,
26
depensa.
against the 69. Offensive foul against Turale.
Terrell.
Hawak lang, hawak, 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 hawak.
1 minute.
Ikot, bigay, bigay. Huwag niyo gano.
14 to shoot.
Kapalang.
Diaz. Too strong. 45 seconds.
Hawak, hawak.
Javier. 78 to 69. 35 seconds. Bang! Time out! On UE, 72 against 278. 32 seconds. It's 32 seconds. 78 against 272. And our next game will be FPU versus Adamson. 32 seconds, 32. Both teams now, no timeout. Both teams now, and penalty.
Baba na.
26 seconds, 26.
Ah, depensa, depensa, depensa. Tao. Kuha tao.
26 seconds.
Tao, doon na. Walang tao sa kabila. Tao. Walang foul, ha? Walang foul.
Oh, still Javier. Javier na. Yes, on Javier. 80 to 72.
Walang foul.
15 seconds. Yes, on to about 70 for 10 seconds. Foul, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Foul on Pinano. Penalty left, 80 against to 74. Fourth personal foul against Pinano. Warning on Pinano. 3 seconds, 3. $81 against to 74.